Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a question which is from Bhaskara contest in India in 2017. If you would like to give a try, pause the video. If you are ready, keep watching. So what I'm gonna do, I will keep the left hand side of this equation the same, and then that equal to 3 half, and then that would be times with, so I'm gonna separate the square root, which is equal to square root of x divided by square root of x plus square root of x. Okay, now we're gonna clear the denominators of these equations. That means square root of x plus square root of x gonna time with the left hand side of these equations. So then we will get this times with square root of x plus square root of x, that equal to 3 half times with square root of x. Alright, then now I'm gonna expand the left hand side of the equation. Then that will be equal to square root of x plus square root of x. So then that will be equal to, okay, then minus square root of x plus square root of x times with square root of x minus square root of x equal to this, right? 3 divided by 2 square root of x. Alright, then as we can see here, we will simplify square with the square root, then we got this, and here x plus square root of x times x minus square root of x, that will be equal to x square minus of square root of x square. Okay, then that will be equal to x plus square root of x minus square root of x square minus square root of x square. Alright, and then that's equal to 3 half square root of x. Okay, then we have to calculate here, which is equal to x plus square root of x minus square root of x square minus x, right? That equal to 3 half times with square root of x. Alright, so what we gonna do next, we will factor square root of x for the left hand side of the equations. So factors square root of x, then this will be square root of x plus 1 and minus, then this can be written as square root of x minus 1. Alright, and that's equal to 3 half and then times with square root of x. Now I'm going to cancel the right hand side of the equation, which is square root of x, with square root of x, the left hand side of the equation. Then this equation will be equal to this equal to 3 half. Right, then remove plus 1 to the right hand side, then the left hand side, which is square root of x minus square root of x minus 1 equal to 3 half minus 1. Okay, right, then 3 half minus 1, that will be equal to 1 half. So square root of x minus square root of x minus 1 equal to 1 half. Okay, then we will square root both sides of the equation. Square root both sides of the equation. Okay, now we're gonna expand this by using a formula a minus b all raised to square, that will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that will be equal to x, right, minus 2 square root of x minus 1, and then plus with b square, which is this square, equal to x minus 1 equal to, so 1 square equal 1, and then 2 square, which is 4, right, that will be 1 divided by 4. Okay, so now x plus x equal to x minus 2 square root of x square minus x. Alright, we remove minus 1 to the right hand side of the equations, that will be equal to 1. Okay, next, these equations, that will be equal to 2x, that minus, right, I'm gonna move this to the left hand side, and 1 quarter plus 1, that will be equal to 5 quarter, and then we remove minus 2 square root of x square minus x to the right hand side of the equation, that will be 2 square root of x square minus x. Okay, then what we're gonna do next, we have to square root both sides of the equation again. So we got this square root square, and then this also square. Okay, then a minus b square formulas, that will be a square, which is 2x square, 2x square equal to 4x square, right, then minus 2ab, that will be 2 times 2 is 4x, and times with 5 quarters, and then plus with b square, so that will be 5 divided by 4 square, which is 25 divided by 16 equal to, so 2 square equal to 4, and then times with x square minus x. Alright, now look at the left hand side of the equations, that will be equal to 4x minus 4 and 4 simplify with each other, then equal to 5x. Alright, then we can say as the equation will be x squared minus 5x, and then plus 25 divided by 16 equal to 4x squared minus 4x. Okay, so what we're gonna do next here and here can be simplified with each other. Alright, then the equation which is minus 5x, we remove minus 4x to the left hand side, that will be plus 4x, right, plus 4x equal to, we remove plus 25 divided by 16 to the right hand side, that will be minus 25 divided by 16. Alright, so this will be equal to minus x equal to minus divided by 16. So minus at the left hand side and minus at the right hand side can simplify with each other. Then that will be x equal to 25 divided by 16, which is the answer of the equation. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.